Okay, working on the kitchen. And let's see, let me back up and show y'all what I'm dealing with. So we got all of the cabinets here, and there was a roof leak. So the thin balsa type wood that made up the front of the soffits had gotten wet and warped. That was covered with wallpaper and paint, as is the entire kitchen. Now I'm going to try some other methods here, but this was just me peeling and scraping, and you can see the mold that's in the bottom backing layer of the old sheet of wallpaper. But there's at least 4 layers of wallpaper on this wall, if not more. I'm going to be doing something with that later. Right now I'm working on up here, and of course I got to tear all the sheetrock out and replace it. But the cabinets, you know, gobbles and gobbles of paint on them, and I put some stripper around this area a couple of hours ago, and lo and behold, when I started stripping it off, you can see hopefully several layers of paint in there. But when I got to the bottom with the scraper, I saw this, and I said, oh shit, I nicked the veneer. No, this is wallpaper or contact paper. So it's still slow coming off because I don't want to damage the wood underneath. But yeah, up here and up here is the same thing. Contact paper and then many layers of paint. So I don't expect to find contact paper on the window here. But I did go down in one section and see that it was originally green. That's just too much paint on everything. Most of the windows are stuck shut because of the paint. So I gotta go get a better scraper than this. Something smaller. This isn't exactly straight. But you can see how many layers of paint are on everything in here. So that's what we're kind of doing. While I was waiting for the stripper to work, when I thought this was all paint, I came in here and started taking up all of this hardy board or whatever they call it. Started taking these tiles out. They tiled half the room, stopped, and that was it. So I don't care for ceramic tile. And it's a shame because it's not a bad looking tile and brand new, but well, you can see where it's all going out there. So we will I will come back with another update when we get some more figured out with all of this. But yep. Alright guys.